Hello guys and welcome back. I'm really happy to see you again and I'm Kazamurdi and I'm going to teach you how to use functions or callback in widgets and how to use it in our Flutter app, which is a contact app that we are creating in the last few videos. And probably this is going to be last part of this app. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm planning to add some icons um at the end of this part. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to wrap this widget with a row. Let me re uh let me summarize how what we do in the past. I created a simple widget, which is a stateless widget. It's a material app and a stateless widget for my home, which takes a list of contacts and show it in a list view builder. By getting a contacts from a list, we create an widget called contact item, which is a simple card with has padding and rows that separate the whole item to the from one of them at the beginning and the one at the last one. So let's go then. I'm going to add an icon at the end of it, which we can remove this item from the list. In order to do that, we can use icon, for example, dot let me change it. Icon button. I think icon button is enough for now. Which take an unpress and also do another thing at it for it, which I'm going to add use the delete forever icon. Let's see which again I forgot to wrap it with icon widget. Okay, that's good. Let's see what it does. As you see, we create an icon for each one of this card, which remove the items, and we need to add a callback to this one. I'm planning um, to pass this callback to the item outside of these widgets. In order to do that, we need to add a callback as a parameter to the constructor of this item, which is going to be function, okay, on delete, okay, on delete. We can pass this one as it's over here, and we can use this function over here. As you see, there is an error, cannot be assigned to function void function. We need to change this a little bit. As it says in error, we need to add void function to it so that it doesn't happen. As you see, the error was gone, and we need to pass a callback to the item to the widget at the top of it. As this is a stateless widget, we cannot change the items directly. So we need to convert this widget, my home, to the an stateful widget by using a shortcut on Alt Enter when we click on the name of this class. As you see, we converted to the whole stateful widget, and we can directly use set state over here. And in this part, we remove the object contacts and index. Okay, that's super easy. And Control S. As we see, I want to delete the whole that no John John keyboard John contact. And I forgot something, as this one contact is under the build part of this widget. This contact would be automatically generated every time this thing was built. Okay, so when we remove something from it, for example contacts, there are two ways to remove it. I will talk about later. When we remove an item over here, because this thing is under the build, so it would be automatically automatic generated again, automatic rebuild, which again has five members. So in order to avoid this problem, which cause every item to be rebuilt and every item would be remain the same, we need to put this list outside of this part, so it only have one single instance. And by doing that, if I hot restart the whole code, as you see, I'm going to remove the John. As you see, John was removed from the list. And we are currently using the callbacks as functions for our widgets, and we are using it outside of the widget and by using set states. There are two ways to remove members from a list. One of them using remove and pass the object that you want to remove, or using the remove at, which only takes an index and that it would remove an object from the list by its index. I think that's enough for now. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.